bag full of laundry using the washing machines at the Airbnb. Save 10 euros. Smart, right? So these are the washing machines, and I have my clothes ready to put in the machine. But then to operate them, I need to have a lock card. So it's like a puzzle. I have a small lock box here. I need to put the right pin code here and then unlock it and take the card out. It's like a hidden treasure, right? So finally the machine started, and it takes around 3.5 hours. So I'll probably come back later. So it'll take around 3.5 hours. It's new to me also, these machines here, because in India we have different machine setup. You just put washing detergent and clothes and then just boom, everything is done. But here it's an Airbnb, and they have a card, so it's prepaid, it's preloaded with some points or cash probably, and then we get to use it. Okay, so I'll put the clothes into dryer a bit later after 3.5 hours. So let's go back to the room now.